Today we're checking out the Klarus XT11GT Pro Tactical Flashlight. This powerful rechargeable flashlight delivers up to 3,300 lumens and features a dual switch design for quick and easy control. Let's open up the box and see what comes with the Klarus XT11GT Pro. You get the flashlight, a 4,000 milliamp hour rechargeable 18650 battery, a USB-C charging cable, holster, belt clip, lanyard, spare waterproof O-ring, and the user manual. Everything you need to charge it up and get started. Charging the Klarus XT11GT Pro is simple. Plug the USB-C cable directly into the flashlight and connect the other end to your power source. The built-in indicator lets you know when it's charging and when the battery is fully charged. Here we have the Klarus XT11GT Pro sitting on the table, shining directly against the wall so you can get a good look at the brightness, width, pattern of the beam. Now, without moving the flashlight, we'll switch over to the strobe setting so you can see exactly what looks like in the same position. The strobe delivers a rapid 3,300 lumen flash. Now we'll take a closer look at the Klarus XT11GT Pro while it's turned on, giving us a better look at the flashlight itself in its compact, easy to handle design. Now we're going to step into a completely dark room and turn on the Klarus XT11GT Pro so you can see the differences as we go through several of its lighting modes. First up, it's turbo mode, delivering the flashlight's maximum output of 3,300 lumens. You can see just how much light it puts out and how well it illuminates the dark room. Now we'll switch over to the low setting. This gives us a much softer beam, making it useful when you only need a small amount of light for close-up situations. Next is the strobe function. You can see the rapid, high-intensity flashing pattern and just how noticeable it is in a completely dark environment. And that wraps up our look at the Klarus XT11GT Pro. With multiple lighting modes, USB-C charging, and up to 3,300 lumens, it packs a lot of performance into a compact flashlight. Thanks for watching.